Welcome, I'm Rose Oatley, and today I'm going to show you how I make my air fryer egg toast. So delicious.
If you're in the mood for delicious food, come cook with Rose Oatley.
We're going to start with some Texas-sized bread because everything's big in Texas. Now, if you don't have Texas-sized toast in your area, you could just go with any large bread. Let me show you what I mean by Texas-sized. See this thickness here? That's what you want. Next, you're going to need a lid or glass, anything circular that'll fit in the center of your bread. I like to use my mason jar lid. Now, you're going to put it in the center and then press down. I like to do it this way first. It makes a nice indentation. Let me show you a close-up here. Now, I like to turn it around and press firmly to create a nice little well for my egg. I just feel it makes it a little deeper and more prominent this way. Just don't press too hard. You don't want to cut out a circle. You just want a nice little well. The bread is a little spongy, so I like to go back in and press a couple of times. Melt some butter in the microwave for about 30 seconds and then just start brushing it on there. Now, if you're wondering, why are you melting the butter instead of just spreading it? Let me show you why. With the indentation in the center, it's messier to spread, and you're probably asking, why not spread the butter first and then make the indentation? Let me show you why. When you press down, the butter gets stuck to your lid and it lifts up the bread. It's very messy this way, guys. So again, I recommend melting it first. If you're trying to be a little more healthy, you can definitely skip the butter. The butter is just going to give it a nice golden color and a nice little flavor. All right, so now you want to go ahead and place your bread in your air fryer basket. Crack an egg and place it in the center of your bread. That's what this little well is for. Now, if you're someone who leaves shells in their eggs or is afraid to leave any shells in the eggs, no problem. Just crack it in a small bowl and then place it on your bread. For our seasoning, we're going to start with salt and pepper. Salt and pepper here. Dun, 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 dun. We're all my oldies. You know what I'm talking about. Next, light chili powder. Fancy that is. We're just going to add a little bit in here. Now, I don't want you to get scared. This is not spicy at all. It's not hot. It's just going to give it a nice little color and slight flavor. Now, if you do want spicy, just sprinkle some chili flakes. Carefully place your basket in the air fryer. This is an Emerald air fryer with a 5.2 liter basket. I'll post the link in the description below if interested. All right, so now I'm going to set my temperature to 370. We're going to start cooking for 10 minutes. In the meantime, grab yourself an avocado. Woo! And an orange. This is actually a blood orange. I love blood oranges. Do you? All right, make sure that you wash your orange well. Look at that. Oh, doesn't that look beautiful? All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and slice a couple pieces, or more like the whole orange.
You're watching Rose Oatley. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified of any new videos.
Now, one avocado. I hope I didn't bruise that. All right, let's go ahead and slice that in half, and then we'll slice a few pieces. Remove the skin and place them on a plate temporarily. Now I'm going to squeeze a little bit of lemon to prevent browning. All right, it's been 10 full minutes. Let's take a look. I'm going to remove them from the air fryer. Then we're going to go plate, cut into them, and give them a try. I like to start by adding a few slices of orange. You can go with your favorite fruit, whatever you like. I'm also going to be adding a few slices of avocado. Now, if you prefer to add bacon, by all means, go right ahead. I love bacon, but today I'm going to keep it a little more healthy, so we're going to go with avocado slices. Now, I don't know about you, but I like my avocado with a little salt and pepper. I'm going to cut into them, but first let me move one out of the way so I can cut a little better here. If you like them runny like mine, go with 10 minutes. If you want them even runnier, you want to go with 9 minutes. And if you want them a little more cooked with a soft center, then you want to go with 11 minutes. Just keep in mind that every air fryer varies, so you may need to make some slight adjustments.
Are you ready to give it a try? I know I am. Cheers. So good. Be sure and give it a try, and don't forget to share. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.